The summons is the basic form that has kind of like the rules. And the summons, which is issued by the court, has an automatic restraining order on it. So when you file your divorce case, you are subject to what's called standard family law restraining orders. And what these restraining orders are things like you can't take the minor children out of the state. You can't cash, borrow, cancel, transfer different types of financial instruments. You can't change beneficiaries on life insurance. You can't change the coverage on the health, automobile, or disability policies. You can't transfer or encumber your assets. In other words, a lot of people think they're very smart and that they have some sort of original idea on how to beat the divorce process. Well, it's highly unlikely because millions of cases have come before you, have come before the appeals court, and there are remedies for all the types of games that people want to play, for all the assets they think they can transfer to a friend or a brother, and there will be consequences, financial consequences, that will befall you when these things are unraveled. So I would say to you, if you're going to be in a divorce case, carefully read these restraining orders that you'll find on the back of the summons. Now, they apply to you when you file your petition, which is the next document we're going to talk about, and which is the document we're going to spend most of our time talking about in this video. These standard restraining orders on the summons, they apply to you when you file your petition or when your attorney files the petition you signed on your behalf in the courthouse. So it's not enough to say, oh, I didn't know. They apply to you when your petition is filed. And they apply to your spouse when he is served with the summons and the petition that is conformed by the court. Conformed means stamped. And conformed also means that your case got a case number. Okay, because this is how your case starts. So we talked about the restraining orders. So when you get served with that petition, make sure you read the restraining orders carefully. When you hire an attorney and you sign your petition, make sure you say to your attorney, can you go over the restraining orders with me, the standard family law restraining orders, so that you don't inadvertently, accidentally do something like take your wife off the car insurance, take your husband off the health insurance. If you do that, there's consequences because the restraining orders say you can't do it, okay? And even if you think that you're going to be smarter than the restraining orders and do it before the case is filed, well, then it's just a breach of fiduciary duty and you'll still have consequences. So don't think that you're going to outsmart the system. Okay, don't try to butt your head with the system. Okay, flow with the system. Don't try to go against it. There will be financial consequences that will be a reckoning to you some point in the dissolution process. Okay.